Alright, I'm going to do this little video here of the DS2. Now this involves a remote control. You may get a new unit. You may update your unit. Okay, and you could forget about this. I'm in the XP DS2 manual here. Page 26. You see what it says right there? I'm going to read it to you in that bold there, highlighted. See what it says? The remote control battery life is 30 hours on the wireless headphones output, but drops to 15 hours with the loudspeaker or active bone conductive headphones, even at level 1. Make sure you only activate the audio outputs you need. So you can run more than one audio output at a time. But the loudspeaker and the bone conductive is going to cut your battery life, meaning you'll need to charge more often. Okay? Now, I've got the remote here. It's turned on. It is powered. There's 2 different ways you can get to this. Actually, I guess you could say 3, but you can hold the bottom left key. You see that? And you'll scroll with this key here my thumb is on. Oops. It'll time out on you, so you got to get busy when you get in it, okay? So all of your audio outputs there, you can scroll them, okay? You can do the same with the bottom right key. Alright, and scroll again and make changes as necessary. Or you can go into options from the main menu, select audio. I'll scroll through here so you can see them. Select audio, and there they are. Okay, again, you can scroll through them. See what's changing up there, the little icon? There's wired, wireless, external speaker, which I have it currently at level 7. Bone conductive headphones. Okay, I was talking to a person the other day who thought their remote run down pretty quick, the battery. So I asked this question. They had updated their machine. Okay, just thought I would share. This is in the user's manual for the DS2. Alright. There's the cover. Now, I'll go ahead and share this here too in case you don't know. If you have a WS6 and you do not have a remote and you own the HF2 coil, you will not find any information in that manual, the WS6 Master Manual, okay? I might be able to show the cover of it here. There it is. See it? This manual here makes no mention of the HF2 coil, but it does in the DS2 manual. Okay, so if you've got that coil, that's where you need to go to read a little bit. Okay, that's going to conclude the video.